Hello everyone, I've been patiently waiting, just got back from my vacation. It took, let's see, 23 days to receive this order from Autonation. In their defense, it was actually one of the screws. I was waiting for the intake screw and I guess it had to be shipped from Japan. But I just wanted to show this video so you can compare the old cap and the new cap. So you can see the old cap, I was throwing the air and it kept popping off. You can see how it's frayed right there. The plastic is just torn up. If you compare it to the new one, looks real good. So I think installation is pretty easy. Oh yeah, it doesn't pop off now. And then I think it just pops in like this. There you go. Yep, good as new. Thanks for watching.